In this video, we're going to learn how to split a PDF. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, iTech On Demand. In this video, we're going to split a PDF document using the website smallpdf.com. As a teacher and even as a student, sometimes we have a PDF document and we only need part of the document. So maybe we only need page 1, maybe we only need page 3 of the document. And in that case, we need to be able to split the pages and only use the pages that we need. So Small PDF allows us to split the document. And again, this is just an easy way to extract pages from PDF. So we're going to go to the website and select choose files, and I'm just going to choose a PDF document that I have already saved. So I'll select the file and click open. Once the document loads, you see that you have two options here. Now, the second option is Pro version, which means you have to pay for it. And notice we didn't log in. We're not paying for anything. So I'm going to choose the first option and select Extract. So now you can see the different pages. There are 5 pages to this PDF document. The instructions here tells you to click on the pages that you want to select. So maybe you just want 1 page, maybe you want 2 pages, but whatever pages you want to click on them. In this case, I'm going to select pages 2 and pages 3, and then in the top right corner, I'm going to select Extract. Now that the pages are extracted, you can see here that I have 2 pages instead of 5. There is my page 2 and there's my page 3 of the original document. So if these are only the 2 pages that I need, then these are the 2 pages that I will save. So now I'm going to go over here, I'm going to select download, and we're going to save our 2 PDF documents that we have here. You can rename it if you want to and then select save. Now you can share 2 pages with your students or with your coworkers or whoever you want to share the pages with instead of 5 pages. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and support the channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time iTech On Demand posts a new video. Thanks for watching.